Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So ngayon, ay itim-itim ko kasi nag-beach kami nung gumagawa ako ng bahay. Kami guys, dalawa. Ako guys, gumagawa ako ng palis. Walis? Walis. Walis o silbo. Takabang-pangan guys. Walis. Hindi ko lang kung saan ko papasok. Hi! Ito yung pinapakolor namin. Ito guys, meron tayong ginagawa walis.
Jump shots are allowed in this tournament, and it's a beautiful commitment where everybody knows how to jump. This is rock line, the sport side of the Philippines.
Guys,